In this video, we are going to discuss the power of belief. We will discuss the mechanics of how it can help you achieve your goals and create positive outcomes in your life. Belief is a key ingredient in achieving our secret riches, so open your mind to your true potential and let's dive in. Belief, or faith, is the knowledge that something will happen. A belief outside of any doubt. This is not the same as wishing something will happen, though. If you have faith in a reality or event, it's the same as if it is real now or that there is no chance it won't happen. As far as your mind is concerned, it may as well be true. So, how does this work? The conscious mind is the part of the brain capable of logic and rational thought. The subconscious operates on routine, habit. The majority of these habits are formed during the first 7 years of life, programs that effectively determine how we operate as humans. With training and practice, limiting programs can be modified or replaced. However, most people just accept them as they are, restricting their potential in life. This is the difference between living in a state of protection or living in a state of growth. Belief is intrinsically linked to our mind's conscious and subconscious. An idea presented to the subconscious mind by the conscious mind can reside there in what is effectively a powerful computer that is over 1 million times more powerful than the conscious mind. The conscious mind can process 1 to 3 events and an average of 2,000 bits of information per second. The subconscious mind can process thousands of events and an average of 4 billion bits of information per second. Your subconscious has the power to control your body, both chemically and physically. It also has the power to control your mind and body's resonance with the ether, attracting positive outcomes in our lives. If our desire is strong, though, and coupled with belief, our subconscious has the power to manifest our desire from the universe. Belief starts with a thought, which we transpose to a deep-seated knowledge that starts in the mind and that you can feel so strongly that it encompasses your whole body, such that you can feel it projecting out of your heart. However, if your subconscious has been previously programmed to expect a suboptimal life by accepting, for example, unworthiness, failure, or other limiting beliefs, these will adversely affect your ability to impress on it a faith or belief in your worthiness of health, wealth, and happiness. But don't worry, this can be reprogrammed. For the subconscious to accept a new program, an idea, motivation, or desire, it must first be convinced of the desire's relevance to the reality that it is trained to protect. For example, when someone is in a state of fear or stress, the conscious mind shuts down and the subconscious takes over, initiating the fight or flight responses in the body. At the same time, the brain sends signals to the body to be ready for fighting or running, which minimizes the energy available to, for example, the body's immune system. The modern world keeps many people in a constant state of fear, negativity, and stress. So this is a state often difficult to escape, and therefore a major factor relating to ill health. You may now understand a little more of how the mind works, and why the subconscious must be convinced of a new program for it to take effect in your life. The desire must be presented to it either with a burning necessity of its importance to the well-being of your life, or through training. Training techniques will help to build the new program into the subconscious. However, they must be practiced. This is why it is of vital importance not only to use the present tense in your affirmation statements, but also to create emotion around them. The subconscious mind is not interested in anything that is not related directly to the present. The affirmation statement, "I have faith in my ability to achieve my goals," is a powerful statement, as it impresses upon the subconscious the ability to do what it takes. When you say the word faith, Feel your desire for that goal burning in your heart. This may take some practice, but practice you must. You can do it, and you will soon see the positive effect it has on your life. Belief not only impresses the desire into the subconscious, opening up your mind and body to behave as if it is already real or is relevant to the present, it also allows for your subconscious to extend the wavelength of your desire into the ether. This in turn attracts the vibrations which enable your desire to become reality. This is why the saying of "fake it till you make it" is not just a saying, it works. But don't take my word for it. There is much research to support the science behind the power of belief. Medical science is an excellent industry to verify the mechanics and evidence surrounding the subject. Accepted research has shown how the power of belief works on the body, from the brain creating the thought or channeling the inspiration, to the cells affecting that change on the body, and furthermore, projecting desire in a harmonic resonance to the ether. In this state, the mind changes the environment it perceives it to be present in. If you change your perception of life, you change your life. With the help of some very strong-minded professionals with the desire for truth, the research is now clear. The mechanics of how belief works has been proven. You can find references to some of this research in the description. In our next video, we will dive deeper into the practices of how we can use the tools of autosuggestion to program our desires into our subconscious so that we can attract them into our lives through the power of belief. Until then, remember, reality is what you perceive it to be. So reward yourself for your achievements, stay positive and take small steps towards your goals. I'll be with you all the way.